Today, 193 people have tested positive following the testing of 3,381 samples over the last 24 hours. This now brings the number of cumulative positives in the country to 32,557, and our cumulative tests to 425,364. The 193 cases being reported today are all Kenyans except for 3 who are foreigners. 137 are males, 56 are females. The youngest is a 2-month-old infant. The oldest is 87 years. The distribution of cases by counties is as follows: Nairobi 78, Embu 24, Garissa 21, Kiambu 18, Nyeri 13, Mombasa 10, Samburu 6, Muranga 5, Lamu 4, Kajiado 3, Trans Nzoia 2, Kilifi 2, Machakos 1, Isiolo 1, Tharaka Nithi 1, Meru 1, Nyandarua 1, Uasin Gishu 1, and Nakuru 1. Let's look at the distribution, sub-county distribution of the 78 cases in Nairobi. These are in Kamkunji 9, Embakasi East, Langata, Makadara, and Westlands, 7 cases each. Dagoretti North and Embakasi South, 6 cases each. Embakasi West, Kasarani, and Kibra, 4 cases each. Embakasi North, Roysambu, Ruaraka, and Starehe, 3 cases each. Dagoretti South and Embakasi Central, 2 cases each. And Madare, 1 case. The 24 cases in Embu are all from Manyata, while the 21 cases in Garissa are all from the Garissa town. The rest of the breakdown of distribution according to sub-counties is given in the document that you will receive. On a positive note, 225 patients have recovered from the disease. Of these, 188 have been discharged from the home-based care program, while 37 have been discharged from various health facilities that they have been receiving care. The total number of recoveries now stands at 18,895. And I want to thank our healthcare workers for this great achievement. On a sad note, we have lost 6 patients to the disease, bringing our fatalities to 554. And our sincere condolences to the families and friends of all those